Hello, this is Kasim Kulov, and today I will show you two methods of rounding objects in Adobe Illustrator. I will use no fill and I will align stroke to center. Select your rectangle tool and draw a rectangle of any size. Let's make its stroke a little heavier. I will make a copy. Now for the first method we will use Direct Selection Tool. Select Direct Selection Tool and round these two corners. So this is it. This is the first method. For the second method I will use an Ellipse Tool. Select your Ellipse Tool and draw a circle holding down Shift. Select both objects and draw your shape using Shape Builder tool. As you can see, both objects look the same, but there is a little difference. To see the difference, we can use Simplify or we can use Attributes. Right-click on your object, select Simplify, and you will see that the object created with method 1 has 6 points. And the object created with method 2 has 5 points. Which means the first method creates an extra point which we do not need. You can also check these points using Attributes. For that, go to your window, select Attributes, select Document Info, and make sure that you have selected Objects, and you will see that it will show the point info there too. So where is that extra point located? It is located on top. And if you select Direct Selection Tool and drag it a little bit, you will see that extra point. This problem does not exist in method 2. So to solve the extra anchor point resulting in method 1, I have two solutions. I have created another artboard for solutions. Let me copy and paste the object that has an issue here. Make sure that it still has that 6-point issue. So for solution number 1, we will be using Shape Builder tool. Select it and click once at your object. Once you do that, you will see that an extra point from tab has disappeared. Unfortunately, the Shape Builder tool created another point, but you can delete it with Shift Delete. Let's see if the problem has been resolved. It now has only 5 points. For the solution number 2, we will be using Pathfinder Tool. Select Direct Selection Tool, select both anchors, right-click it and select Average. Make sure to select both, so that both of these anchor points are located at exactly the same place. Draw any shape inside your original shape. Go to your Pathfinder Tool, select its options, and make sure that Remove Redundant Points is selected. Once you do that, unite the shapes. Let's see if the number of points has been reduced to 5. So this was it. Thank you for watching.